focusing on pursuing the ultimate in details and bring innovation by technology. GOODFIX FIXDEX GROUP specializes in post-anchoring technology system, mechanical connection and fastening system, hardware bracket and support system. It is determined to provide safe and reliable integrated professional services to the industry. GOODFIX FIXDEX GROUP is a national high-tech manufacturer that integrates the R&D, production and sales of anchor bolts, bolts and nuts, threaded rods, photovoltaic support, earthquake-resistant brackets, and other products. It is a specialized, refinement, differential, and innovative enterprise of Hebei Province. It is a A-level unit of the provincial industrial enterprise, with R&D institution and branches in both domestic and overseas. We established a long-term strategic partnership with the China Academy of Engineering Physics, 9th Institute of Nuclear Engineering, and Hebei University of Engineering, established a provincial and municipal anchor bolt industry technology innovation alliance, an anchor bolt and supporting equipment technology innovation center, and led a number of municipal key science and technology projects. GOODFIX FIXDEX GROUP participated in the formulation of national standards, including standards for test methods of prefabricated support and hangers, installation and acceptance procedures for seismic supports and hangers, etc. GOODFIX FIXDEX GROUP has 5 major production bases, covering an area of 300,000 square meters. The first factory is Hebei GOODFIX Industrial Company Limited. It mainly produces various special anchor bolts and supporting tools for elevator installation, including ETA Option 7 wedge anchor, mechanical anchor, chemical anchor, sleeve anchor, dropping anchor, anchor bolt, etc. Annual production capacity is 360 million sets. The second factory is Hebei GOODFIX Technology Company Limited, specializes in the production of grade 4.8, 8.8, 10.9, 12.9, and stainless steel hex bolts, hex socket bolts, and nuts. Annual production capacity is 60,000 tons. The third factory is GOODFIX GZ Hardware Manufacture Company Limited, producing high-strength threaded rod, thread stud, and other threaded products. Annual production capacity is 72,000 tons. The fourth factory is Hebei New Material Company Limited, focuses on developing photovoltaic system patent and producing large-scale photovoltaic bracket, spiral and pre-embedded group pile, BIPV waterproof tank, aluminum alloy guide rail, photovoltaic connection accessory, earthquake-resistant brackets and accessory, refined wire rod, etc. Annual production capacity is 200,000 tons. The fifth factory is Hebei Matrix Power Company Limited, one of the few companies with environmental zinc plating qualification, self-owning several surface treatment lines. The spray test of electro-galvanizing reaches 72 to 1,000 hours, with annual production capacity 144,000 tons. The spray test of hot-dip galvanizing reaches 800 to 1,500 hours, with annual production capacity 120,000 tons. The annual production capacity of picking phosphating more than 36,000 tons. Precise measurement, rigorous inspection, high quality is our basic principle. Factory has comprehensive the industrial chain, improved management processes through closed-loop production and MES system management, implemented traceability management through product quality tracking cards. Starting test from raw materials, there are multiple tests including tensile strength testing, shear strength testing, nut holding test, compression test, hardness testing, salt spray testing, surface coating thickness testing, anchor bolt S-level testing, Charby impact test, metallographic analysis, etc. The company's products have passed multiple international testing certifications, including the European Union (ETA), North American ICC, and European CE. The equipment for these testings are advanced and completed. The testing methods and results of the products have been recognized by experts in the construction industry. The application of CNARS and CMA certification are proceeding. Professionalism, precipitation, and pursuit of excellence. Cell phone brand FIXDEX, with strong research and development capabilities and quality advantages. It has been sold to over 70 countries and regions in the Americas, Europe, the Middle East, Asia, etc. Things change. Stars move. GOODFIX and FIXDEX Group always insists on the original intention. Strong, durable, and safe.